Do you press the button? Do you press the button? You didn't press the button. You didn't press the button, the green man will not appear.
Oh.
So you have to press the green man.
Oh.
This kind of thing is basic usual one. You don't press, the light is green for the vehicle to go straight, but you cannot cross because of the red man. You gotta never press. So you must press. You don't assume that you are here, the vehicle straight, also the green man will appear. No. It's only because it's discretionary. So when it's green light, it goes straight, the vehicle can turn left. If you don't press the button, it will not turn green man for you. Yeah. Then when you are crossing, right, just before I cross green man, right, look here because the vehicle sometimes they'll cut across you. They might dangerously cut you. So make sure that they actually stop for you before the dotted box there, and then you cross.
Okay.
Can